This is the F-22 Raptor, the most dominant and lethal air-to-air fighter jet ever built. Capable of slicing through the skies at speeds exceeding 1,500 miles per hour, it combines stealth technology with thrust-vectoring engines, earning its reputation as the undisputed king of the sky. The U.S. Air Force has always been a leader in cutting-edge aviation, but with the Raptor, they raised the bar to unprecedented levels. At the rear of the F-22 sit two Pratt Whitney F-119 engines, each producing 35,000 pounds of thrust, a combined 70,000 pounds of raw power. Official details remain classified, but speculation suggests that this technology could reshape the very future of aerial warfare. Is the Raptor simply the ultimate fighter, or something even more disruptive? The F-22 represents the pinnacle of modern fighter design, blending stealth, blistering speed, and advanced avionics. Built primarily by Lockheed Martin, with Boeing assisting in certain subsystems, the Raptor is a twin-engine, single-seat, fifth-generation jet that redefined air superiority. Where older fighters relied on radar-guided medium-range engagements, exposing themselves to detection, the F-22 was engineered to minimize radar visibility, integrate robust electronic warfare systems, and sustain supercruise flight. One of its standout features is its stealth shaping and coating. The fuselage is contoured to scatter radar waves, weapons are carried internally to reduce radar reflections, and radar-absorbent materials cover much of the exterior. However, these stealth coatings require constant maintenance, a reason stealth fighters demand unique upkeep compared to conventional jets. Another advantage is supercruise. While most fourth-generation fighters can break Mach 1, they require fuel-hungry afterburners. The F-22, by contrast, can sustain supersonic speeds without them. This improves efficiency, range, and response time in intercept missions. Its thrust-vectoring nozzles further enhance maneuverability. By tilting the nozzles up or down, the Raptor achieves flight maneuvers unmatched by rivals, sudden climbs, sharp turns, and rapid directional changes that give it a decisive edge in dogfights. On board, the avionics and sensor fusion are equally formidable. The Raptor gathers data from its radar, sensors, and allied platforms like AWACS or ground-based radars, then fuses them into a single tactical display. This God's-eye view saves pilots precious seconds, often the difference between survival and defeat in air combat. Originally designed for air superiority, the F-22 also carries precision-guided munitions for ground attack, such as JDAM bombs from its internal base. Though not as specialized for close air support as the A-10 or as versatile as the F-35, the Raptor still delivers precision strikes while preserving stealth. Despite procurement ending earlier than planned, the F-22 remains a cornerstone of U.S. air dominance, unrivaled in stealth, speed, and agility. GBU-31 JDAM. The GBU-31 JDAM, Joint Direct Attack Munition, transformed conventional bombs into precision weapons. Before JDAM, pilots had to line up perfectly, drop unguided bombs, and hope conditions didn't shift. JDAM solved this by attaching a GPS and inertial navigation kit with tail fins to 2,000 pounds bombs like the Mk-84 or Blue 109. This allows bombs to glide with pinpoint accuracy from high altitudes, even through clouds, striking within meters of their targets. A penetrator version can smash through bunkers or hardened shelters. With reduced risk of collateral damage and programmable coordinates updated mid-flight, JDAM revolutionized precision bombing. Even if GPS is jammed, the inertial backup keeps the bomb reasonably accurate. Proven in countless conflicts, JDAM remains a mainstay, with modular upgrades including laser or infrared seekers for terminal guidance. Thousands have been produced, fitted to bombs of various sizes, making JDAM one of the most cost-effective and reliable precision systems in modern warfare. A-10 Thunderbolt II, Warthog. Nicknamed the Warthog, the A-10 Thunderbolt II is a rugged close-air support aircraft designed around its massive GAU-8 Avenger 30mm cannon, firing nearly 4,000 rounds per minute. Unlike sleek fighters, the A-10 prioritizes armor, loiter time, and low-speed maneuverability to protect ground troops. The cockpit is shielded by a titanium bathtub, engines are mounted high and armored, and the wings allow slow, precise targeting. The A-10 can absorb heavy damage and keep flying. Redundant systems ensure survivability even after critical hits. Its primary weapon, the GAU-8 cannon, can obliterate tanks, vehicles, and fortifications. Alongside it, the A-10 can carry guided bombs, rockets, and AGM-65 Mavericks. Beloved by troops for its survivability and firepower, the A-10 has been a proven close support asset from the Gulf War to today, despite debates over its retirement. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 Lightning II is one of the most ambitious aircraft programs in history, developed in 3 variants. F-35A, conventional takeoff. F-35B, short takeoff/vertical landing. F-35C, carrier-based. Like the F-22, it employs stealth shaping, internal weapon bays, and radar-absorbent coatings. Its sensor fusion integrates radar, cameras, and distributed aperture systems into the pilot's helmet display, offering 360 degrees awareness. Pilots can literally see through the jet. The F-35's versatility covers air superiority, close air support, and strike missions. While its program has faced cost concerns, continuous upgrades ensure evolving capabilities. It remains a critical asset for the U.S. and Allied forces. AIM-120 AMRAAM. The AIM-120 AMRAAM is a long-range, fire-and-forget missile with active radar guidance, capable of reaching Mach 4. Variants like the AIM-120D extend ranges beyond 160 kilometers, allowing standoff engagements. Carried by aircraft from F-15s to F-35s, it is the backbone of Western beyond visual range combat. GBU-39 Small Diameter Bomb, SDB. Weighing just 250 pounds, the GBU-39 SDB emphasizes precision and reduced collateral damage. Folding wings allow it to glide over 100 kilometers, enabling stealth aircraft like the F-22 and F-35 to strike multiple targets from safe distances. Smaller but smarter, the SDB is ideal for precision strikes in urban or civilian-sensitive areas. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, one of the most widely exported jets in history, revolutionized fighter design with its fly-by-wire controls, bubble canopy, and agility. Initially a lightweight fighter, it evolved into a multi-role platform, integrating precision weapons, SEAD roles, and modern avionics. Over 4,600 have been built, serving in 25 countries. With upgrades like AESA radars and life extensions, the F-16 remains a reliable, lethal, and cost-effective workhorse. Loyal Wingman Drones. A new frontier in aerial warfare, loyal wingman drones are designed to fly alongside manned fighters like the F-22 or F-35. Controlled by AI and supervised by a single pilot, they can carry weapons, sensors, or electronic warfare pods, expanding firepower while reducing risk to human pilots. B-52 Stratofortress. The legendary B-52 Stratofortress, first flown in the 1950s, remains in service thanks to constant upgrades. With 8 engines and massive payload capacity, it has shifted from carpet bombing in Vietnam to launching precision-guided weapons and even hypersonic test platforms. Expected to serve into the 2050s, the B-52 is one of the longest-lasting military aircraft in history. AGM-65 Maverick. The AGM-65 Maverick is a versatile air-to-surface missile designed for tank-busting and precision strikes. With electro-optical, infrared, and laser-guided variants, it has destroyed tanks, bunkers, and ships for decades. Used on aircraft like the A-10 and F-16, it remains a reliable and flexible close-support weapon. AIM-9 Sidewinder. The AIM-9 Sidewinder is a short-range, heat-seeking missile first developed in the 1950s. Constantly upgraded, modern versions like the AIM-9X feature helmet-mounted targeting and thrust vectoring for unmatched agility in dogfights. Compact, reliable, and integrated across dozens of aircraft, the Sidewinder remains one of the most iconic and effective missiles in aviation history. From the stealthy F-22 Raptor to the rugged A-10 Warthog, from precision weapons like DAMs and SDBs to loyal wingman drones shaping the future, modern airpower continues to evolve, pushing the limits of speed, stealth, precision, and survivability.